So I got a little bored the other day and I posted a story on my Instagram page where I asked people if they wanted me to rate their cars, and today that's what we're doing. We're gonna see how many of my followers actually have a clue what they're doing, or if they're completely hopeless and should probably go back to riding bicycles. Before we get started, go ahead and check out the link below to any of the merchandise that's for sale. There's a whole bunch up there. Everything is designed by me and goes straight back into the channel, so give that a look and let's dive in. First off, this is my opinion, so if you disagree, let me know in the comments whether I'm right or wrong, or probably just how wrong I am. Secondly, if you want to possibly be a part of something like this and see your car, then go ahead and just follow me on Instagram at philwithsuper. Thirdly, if you have a private account where you don't have pictures of your car, I'm sorry, I can't rate your car because there's nothing to rate. Keep that in mind. If you're asking me to rate your cars, I'm not gonna come to your house and see what your car's like. Finally, I'm only judging based off what I see. Maybe in the future I'll make a little website where I can actually get a full write-up of your car if you want to get that done, but for now we're just going based off what I see. So without further ado, let's look at all the responses we got, start telling people how awful their car builds are. All right, the first car we have on the list belongs to Victor Wittich. Okay, so the first car is an Audi. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm a big sucker for two main colors on cars, red and blue. The red should be pretty stinking obvious. Pretty much everything I do seems to be red, but blue, that's my second favorite color on a car, hands down. If we're just going general, you can go into specific colors if you want to argue about BRG, but man, this one's clean. Now I'll admit, and you guys have probably noticed in the last few builds that I've done, I've really kind of gravitated towards that OEM Plus look, but this looks really clean. I love the front bumper. Pretty sure that's aftermarket. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is. Nice aggressive stance. I want to see it on the road. Okay, so apparently he's got a bunch of different types of wheels. This is like the third different set of wheels that I've seen on this car, and I've only seen, yep, okay, there's another set. You know, that's solid. There's nothing overly fancy about this car, but it ticks the boxes. We need a rating board for this. Right in the middle, Victor. You're the barometer for if we get better or worse. Listen, I'm a sucker for a Mark III Supra. There's no way around it. I'm pretty sure the majority of my followers are Mark III Supra guys, but dang, this is clean. Man. Dude, a white Supra looks so good, just with the white wheels as well. There's very few cars, in my opinion, pretty much this and Audis that look good with just white on white. But, wow, pre-89 with the front, which is the better looking bumper, let's be real. If you guys think the post-89 bumper looks better, you're weird. I didn't see any pictures where it looked like he actually drifted the car, but I think those are Cosmes on the back. And the straight pipe looks good, but gosh darn, it sounds horrendous. I'm sorry, man. It's hard to find a straight pipe that sounds good. Post 89 taillight conversion. He may have just done a pre 89 front bumper then. I don't know if there's any other ways to no, it's pre 89 because it has the longer signal lights as well, though he could have converted those over as well, but that looks good. Man, nothing crazy, and it's got a little stancy pants to it. Better than Victor. Sorry, Victor. It's just a fact, honestly. He's got a Supra. I mean, come on. One up. All right, we got another Supra. Sucks that you have to go right after another white Supra that's pretty clean, but man, this could use a little bit of work. Not gonna lie. Jeez, so it looks like whoever did the front bumper, is that overspray all over the front signal lights? My gosh, get a little lacquer thinner, that'll clean right off. Yeah, this whole thing needs a paint job, my guy. Same with the wheels. I'm sorry, man. I'm not a fan of chrome or the neo chrome look, just on anything. It looks so cheesy in my opinion. I mean, they're cool wheels. I love 5 spokes, don't get me wrong, and the fitment is not bad. It's definitely, hey, yo, whoa, calm down. Oh, that's not even overspray. Oh, that's overspray. Yeah, tape off before you paint. I've learned that as well. I mean, the body looks straight, so you got a perfect place to start. Is that a turbo? I think it's a turbo. Oh, it's a Targa as well. That's rare. I mean, you're missing a little pillar, a little B pillar there, but you know, that's cool. I mean, it's not a bad looking car. Congrats on graduating. But that's definitely like, hey, you know, you paid $2,000. That's a turbo. You probably paid 90. But I mean, it's a good base. It's a place to start. Could use a wide body kit though. Bottom half though, sorry bud. Get some work done and maybe we'll be talking again. That's got potential though. Yes! Oh my gosh. Dude, I've been following this dude forever. Where's a good picture? Yes! This guy has one of the coolest Supras out there. Like, OEM Plus doesn't even touch this. Look how clean that is. Oh my gosh. And that's like the original maroon, but obviously, I'm pretty sure it's repainted. Dom, correct me if I'm wrong, but oh my goodness. Where's an engine pick? I know he's got some... Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is what I was trying to be in my mind, and didn't even come anywhere close to achieving when I had my engine bay in the first Supra. I was like, I saw this straight up, I saw this and was like, yeah, I want something like that. And I failed. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the paint. Oh yeah, 100% repainted. But see, that's the original maroon. I don't know if it's the exact, I don't think it's the same color code, but it's at least based off the original maroon, which my first Supra was. And golly, it's such a good looking color. Oh, oh my gosh, That is beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna geek out over Dom's car if I don't like move on. Dom, okay, you're at the top of the list right now, my guy. Keep doing what you're doing. It looks so good. Legend. Oh, shoot. Top of the list, my guy. At least for now. I ain't gonna lie, I actually am trying to find not too many Supras. There's so many out there, and I'm sorry. Let's see. I'm pretty much going. I love you guys with Supras. I'm just looking for names that don't have Supra in the name right now. So, and no pictures of your car. I need pictures of your car if I'm gonna rate you. Private account, do that one. Private account, can't do that one. Private account, can't do that one. Listen, guys, I can't do private accounts. Sorry. I need pictures of your car. I'll find a way to fix this sometime. Gosh darn, here's another Supra. I'm sorry. Listen, all you guys with Supras, I love you. I'm gonna have to skip a lot of you because you all are awesome. I'm sorry. I just went with the first 3 or 4 that I saw, and now I don't want this to be a rate your Supra video, though it might end up being that. Private account. Okay, this is nice. Oh man, I've always wanted one of these old trucks. Like, I don't think I'll get one for a while, but this would be just so cool just to drive around. This thing's got potential. Obviously, the livery is a little questionable. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you look great standing up next to it. Oh man, the steels look cooler. The steels look great. I mean, it's solid. It's nothing to write home about, unfortunately, but it's still really cool. Got potential. Painted a nice orange. Get a little bit bigger wheels. Get a huge wing on the back. Pretty good. Not bad. A little below average, but you know, gotta start somewhere. My cars are all below average until they get a paint job, and then they become average. So you got time. Another private account. Another private account. You know, for a Civic, this is pretty nice. This is the only picture on his entire page, posted on a wonderful day. Good day to post. But, I mean, for a Civic, this is about as good as you're gonna get. Psych! Nah, this is solid. There's nothing special to it. It looks like exhaust, coils, and wheels. That's really about it. Is that a Civic or is that a TL? Gosh darn, we're gonna call it a Civic. If it's a TL, I apologize. I'm blind, never owned one. I mean, it's clean. There's really not too much else to say about it. It's clean. Okay. You're going below average, but you know, not bad. Proud of yourself. This is only just some dude online's opinion. Ooh, I think something's not a Supra. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I love satin wrap. Oh my gosh. Dude. All right, let's see if there's a plain picture. Whoa. Dude, that's so clean. Is this a 5 Series? I think it's a 5 Series. 545. Wow. Does that have like a bronze tint to it as well? That is so cool. Dude, I think it does have some sort of like bronze tint to it. That is nice. Listen, BMW guys, you guys have such an advantage over so many other people in the car community because you guys, like everyone else, is like coils and wheels aren't a build. But if you have a BMW, coils, wheels, and lip, got a build. It's all it takes. That is so gorgeous. Like button. How's this dude have so little likes? Rose doesn't even have 1,000 followers. My guys. Yeah, that looks so good, man. Oh, it's so clean. The headlights. I don't think I'm gonna go out on a limb. I don't think those are factory headlights or taillights or exhaust. Oh, but it looks so good. Because this is what? This is mid 2000s. I'm pretty sure if you told someone this is like a 2018, someone would believe him. You know what? Never mind. It is new. Okay. Well, I was completely wrong on that, but the car's freaking gorgeous nonetheless. Like button. Okay. This takes the top of the list so far. Dom, I love you, but well, does it? Does it pass Dom? Gosh, it looks so stinking good though. Oh, what a good looking car though. I don't like voting. Is it better than Dom? Yes or no? Dom put so much work into his engine. Ooh. You know, this ain't bad. This is actually pretty nice. This is nice. It's a good off-road build. Where's just a normal? I said normal picture. No, they're all reals, aren't they? I mean, when was the last time okay, everything's real now, so it's hard to get just a still picture, but this looks really nice. I mean, coming from a dude who just has like a basic minivan with a lift, this is the step that I'd like to get to. Just, you know, you get nice lights, you get a roof rack, paint's in great condition. I don't know if the front bumper is stock, but it looks really good. It's just a good looking car. I mean, interior wise is normal, but oh my gosh, it's blinking so fast. Slow down. Yeah, that's just it's solid. There is nothing wrong with this car. This car could take you to McDonald's even if they had a speed bump. Like, think about that. Good looking car, but gosh darn that BMW. Wow. Big sexy. Listen, speaking of sexy BMWs, my God, freaking Carlos. Ooh, I had never noticed the duckbill. That is gorgeous. You know, this car's always on jack stands, it seems like, or at least on a car lift. I swear, every other story that this guy posts, Carlos, I love you. He helped me with my Supra when I first had it. I swear, every time I see his story, it's just his car's up on a jack, getting work done. My gosh. Oh, that tuck is so hard. Oh, wow, dude. The cool part about this is, like, you see cars on Instagram all the time. You're like, oh my gosh, that's insane. I get to see this car drive around town, and wow, it looks so cool. My gosh. Dude, I'm a proponent. I think you should still get a lip, Carlos. I think it'd look great. I think it'd look awesome. That's my opinion. You'd have to get something that bounces on the ground, but get yourself a street sweeper that'd look insane. Just the all black looks so good. Plus with the wheels. Carlos! I love your car. Your car's insane. It's just so cool. And I've ridden in it. Where does it go? All right, you know what? 4Runner, I'm sorry. My boy, you're going that. Clean. I like stance cars. You're going right almost on par with the other BMWs. That E60, gosh darn that wrap. I'm sorry, man. That wrap puts him one up. That thing. Private account. What am I spelling wrong? Private account. All that misspelling for a private account. Not what I wanted. Ooh, that's just clean, man. Listen, I've been looking at cars that just like the sedan type look right now. Recently, the old 90s box look is just killer right now. Oh man, anti-rep tabs. I could use those. Oh my gosh, this car's a boat. I mean, it's just so clean. There's not much to it. I think it looks like, yeah, it's lowered a bit, but I mean, that's just one of those cars that you just like every day you just want to daily that. Some of those old 90s Japanese, like, oh man, those cars are gorgeous. You just can't go wrong. Like, you can modify these if you want to be ridiculous, but nonetheless, like, he's got a good setup. The wheels though, I know you're anti-rep. Geez, that just looks a little weird to me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it looks like you got a wheel and then you realized, oh wait, I still gotta fit a tire and actually drive this thing, and so you got a tiny tire. That just looks weird. I just don't like the silver on the outside. I'm sorry. Like, I mean, it's my opinion. You could disagree. I don't care. I mean, it's fine. The car itself, amazing. Like, let's not get that wrong. That car is... But the wheels, man, I'm just sorry. I'm not rocking with the wheels. That's just no. Where do we put him in relation to Victor's Audi? You know, I gotta put him, I'm gonna put him right above. Right above. The Audi, that look is just too common. I never see one of these cars around, so gets the edge. Oh, I'm about to bully somebody. Tristan, boy, what is this? It's so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. Did you not have any other pictures with it? Oh, I could pause them. Perfect. This is gonna look a little weird with the pause button in the middle, but okay. So I apologize. The pause button's in the middle. Oh my gosh. I went with him to pick up this car when he bought it, and it was dude has done so much to this. Oh, did he rewrap the roof or the hood? Gosh, this dude has no clear coat at all. That looks so hilarious. This thing started out as a stock RAV4, and he's like, you know what? This would be funny. And so he lifted it. I don't know. Actually, I don't know if he lifted it. He put bigger wheels in. He put bigger... Philip, stop stuttering. Put bigger tires on it, lights. Wrapped the last weekend or a couple weekends ago because he's just stupid like that. And just abuses the heck out of it, but has the most fun. It's hilarious. This is the same dude who owned a Ferrari and currently drives an AMG Mercedes. And freaking favorite car is a dinky old RAV4 from the 90s. This thing's hilarious. I love this one because I know the fact that I know that it gets used to heck, and everything on there is all smiles. There's nothing on this car that I don't get a text from Tristan and he's like, dude, this is hilarious. And it always is. Tristan, your car's awesome. I'm sad you sold your Ferrari. I was gonna buy a rep Lamborghini and we were gonna rock it, but that's out the window now. I'm not rating your AMG. It's a normal car, but this. Oh my God. Listen, you are paired right up with the 4Runner. You got one dude with a super clean 4Runner build, and then your freaking ridiculous RAV4, but in my eyes, they are the same. I'm sure yours brings more smiles. To you, at least. I think everyone else still thinks you're stupid, but it's funny. Your car's great, man. Ooh. Ben's Rabbit. Man, dude, this thing's been around for a while. I remember, so I went to high school with him, and I remember seeing this thing in the parking lot, and it's just the coolest little truck. Cause like, think about it this way. Think about all the other mini trucks that are out there. They're just like, no disrespect, they're not great. You got your weird looking Datsuns. You've got your old dink up Toyotas, your Chevy S10s, Ford Rangers. Like, okay, you can sing about Ford Rangers in the comments, I guess. Heck you. But none of them like are styled like really well. But the Rabbit, wow. And also I have a little bit of a soft spot because my dad had the first generation Golf. But dude, this is just, oh, look at the angles on this. Whew. Gosh, like it has that beautiful 50s style angling like you see in those old like diners and stuff, but it looks so good. Oh, the wheels. Man, there is just nothing wrong with this. Like, this is such a good looking truck. I mean, he's also got this absolutely gorgeous Beetle. Something tells me VWs are his thing. Oh my gosh. Like, what do you do when you have two nice cars? Golly, look at this thing. Oh, it's so beautiful. Dude, this guy probably has a combined 75 horsepower between his two VWs. Wow. Oh, this is just so clean. Ben, wow. Sir, I'm gonna shuffle. Listen, you off-road boys, you're going down. I'm sorry. You're going down. You gotta make room. Right. Man loves the environment. Got a bug and he got a rabbit. That's an awful joke. Never repeating that again. Ooh. Oh. 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 This is so... Dude, that is just amazing. Like, this is where the OEM plus in me is just like, this is near perfection. Golly. Just blacked out, beautiful lip. I think the headlights are blacked out on the inside as well. I think so. I've wheels. Whoa. Oh, gorgeous. There is nothing at all wrong with this car. Now, there's not a whole ridiculous amount done to it, but golly, I've been so nice during this. I have not beat anyone up because everyone's sending in nice cars. Someone send in some ugly piece of trash, please. That's so clean. So clean. You're going up there with Ben. Oh my gosh. It's a like and subscribe. All right, we're doing one more and then I gotta end because this recording is going on 35 plus minutes. If you want to do a stream sometime, if you want me to do this on stream sometime, I'll let me know and I'll be able to do that and we can get a lot more cars. All right. You know, I didn't want to end on a Supra, so we'll do one more after this. I'm in love. Dude, like 1JZ Dom, I've been following this guy for a long time. I never noticed the hood. Wow. I'll have your FC in the background too, by the way. Wow. I remember when this thing was tan. That's the way that I remembered it for the longest time. Wow. I have not scrolled through my normal feed. This is, whoop, wrong one. This is, are they different cars? They might be different cars. Am I just illiterate? Bro, let me know if I'm completely wrong, but this is how I remember his car. The ducktail's so sexy. Oh, the dual pipes. Oh, and the wheels. Oh, the side skirts. Rear visor. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh. I am so bad at working on cars. Okay, so they are two different cars. I'm judging both. Golly, this one's clean as heck. Ooh, Miata. Oh, look at the taillights. Oh, woo. All right, but this thing though. Oh, but this thing. Oh, whoa, whoa. I am probably gonna steal that hood idea. I am not gonna lie. That thing is genius. Genius. Oh, that looks so good because you just cut right there. Oh my gosh, that's so. And the canards. Oh my gosh, I'm a sucker for so much useless aero. I mean, there's probably a use for it because unlike me, he actually drives his car a lot. Oh my gosh. Wow, we're ending here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is. Oh, wow. I'm still looking at the car. So you guys subscribe. If you guys want to be a part of this as well and see your cars judged, first off, let me pause. If you don't like my opinions, let me know. I guess I'm one man with one Instagram page and one YouTube channel and one merch website that's linked down below. So go ahead and check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. This was so much fun just to look through everyone else's cars. I promise I'm trying to get back to working on cars of my own. Part that I ordered was supposed to come in Tuesday and now it's gotten backed up all the way through Sunday. So my plans got shuffled a bit. I'm heckin' trying to make content. I'm trying to make up for it by doing stuff like this in the meantime, just to pass the time. But I promise you there is stuff coming. I have big plans. If not, I have backup plans. And once those backup plans get ruined, I have more backup plans. So don't worry, we got stuff coming in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. This was an absolute blast. Follow me on Instagram at PhilSuper, again, to keep tabs of when this possibly stuff could happen again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Adios. Yay.